Zolo Recognized by the AKC in 2011, Zolo is an affectionate dog, known best for its unique look and nearly hairless status. They look like prehistoric creatures, or more aptly, current-day elephants or rhinoceros. These high-energy dogs require consistent training and clearly defined boundaries, as they require that to grow into well-adjusted, well-mannered companions. They don't bark often, but take their watchdog status seriously. Quiet and protective, always on the lookout. They make great family dogs, especially for families with allergies, as their short coats provide a bit of relief. They're on the lower end for rare dogs, as they may only cost between $600 and $800 to buy from a reputable breeder. Despite being one of the world's rarest and most unique dogs, there are very few in the US and have faced extinction for several years due to their superstitious association. There are fewer than 30,000 worldwide, and less than 1,000 of those are in the US.